Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name's Hannah, and in this video, I'm going to teach you some of the very basic foundations that you'll need to start learning to use your computer. I think it's important to start with the basics so that you can build upon that foundation, and it's going to make things like learning how to actually use applications a lot more simple. So stay tuned. On my screen, we have two important areas, what is known as our display area. Two things that make what we are seeing up right now are this vast area with this flowy blue picture, and that's known as our desktop. That's going to be where things like our folders over here to the left are, where we view any photos, documents, and videos, or even our internet browser. Down below, we have our taskbar, and this can be thought of like a gateway to anything that you need to access. While we can access things from our desktop, we can do a lot more with our taskbar. And our taskbar is made up of different icons and different search capabilities. I'll be doing a separate video on the start menu, but that is this button right here, and the start menu is very important for accessing anything that you need to. To the right, we have a search function, and if I click on that, it's going to bring up all of these different options. Before I go any further in this video, I do want to point out that I am using Windows 10, so if some of these functions look different, such as the way that the search menu is set up, that doesn't mean that you can't do what I'm doing. It just might look a little bit different. Now, if you are struggling and you need more of a walkthrough like what I'm doing in this video, but to match up with an older version of Windows, please put that in the comments and I'll make sure to make another video. To the right, it's going to bring up some different articles or things that are trending or different recipes. To the left, we have recent applications, and it gives us some different options there. But what's cool about the search function is if we know part of what we're looking for, so part of the title of what we're looking for, we can type that in and it will narrow our search down. So if I'm wanting to look at my sticky notes app, I can start typing in the word sticky. At the top, it's going to give us the best match based on of what I entered in. And below that, it's going to give me options that I might be looking for on the web. So we can see it has sticky, sticky notes, sticky keys. It's trying to guess what I might be looking for and narrowing down my search to that. Down here in the search bar, sticky is in black letters because that is what I wrote out, and notes is grayed out because it's assuming that that is what I am going to type in. If that is what I wanted, I can click in the search bar and it's going to make it black. What that means is that is now what it is searching for. So we can see under search the web up here, it has changed the results. It's no longer saying sticky blank, it's now searching sticky notes blank, sticky notes app, sticky notes for PC, and so forth. If I didn't actually want that and that was a mistake, all I have to do is hold down with my left mouse button, highlight the area that I don't want to be there, and then hit the backspace button on my keyboard. And that's going to get rid of that and take me back to just searching for sticky. Up at the top, we have some other options. If I was wanting to filter down my search results because I was looking for a document, I can click on documents up here, and that is going to only show me documents that match my search criteria. We can even see down here, it's showing me that it's only searching for documents with the title of sticky. If I don't want it to just be searching for documents, I can go back and click on all, and it's going to take me back to where I was before. This function can be very helpful if I'm wanting to filter down what I'm searching for. I am searching for the Sticky Notes app, and that is showing under Best Match. To open the Sticky Notes app, I have a couple of options. I can come over to here where it gives me plenty of options. So if I wanted to go into the settings, if I wanted to open the app, or if I wanted to create a new note, that gives me the option right there. But I can also just click on where it says Sticky Notes app under Best Match. And that opens my application. These icons may look different from what you have. If you don't want to have a certain icon here, that is customizable and you can get rid of it. But what's nice about having these different icons on your taskbar is that if it's something that you use fairly regularly, you can put it on your taskbar, and then when you need to have that application, it's as easy as clicking on it and opening the application. I also want to point out that if you are confused at what an icon does, you can learn more about it by simply hovering over it. So don't click on the icon, but if you hover over it, it's going to present text above your icon, and it's going to tell you what that icon represents. On the right side of our taskbar, we have what is known as our system tray or notification area. So this will give us more information about what's going on in our computer, as well as the date and time. These icons are pretty good at representing what type of information you're going to get. This one that I'm hovering over right now is representing my battery status, and it's telling me that it is fully charged at 100%. If I go over to this speaker icon, it's telling me what speaker I'm using as well as what volume it's at. To the left of there is going to be my Wi-Fi, so I can see if I'm on the correct Wi-Fi that I want to be on or if it's not connected. I can also see things like my microphone or if I have some sort of cloud system where I'm uploading my files to. This icon right here, which says it's for showing hidden icons, if I click on that, I know that it's going to bring up hidden icons. And then I can hover over all of these icons to see what they represent. Typically, these icons are going to be things that are continuously running in your background. And although I'm not going to go into this right now, if we were to right click on any of these icons, it's typically going to bring up more options. I hope you found that run through of some of the basic functions of your desktop and taskbar helpful. For more helpful videos on learning how to use your computer to gain confidence, please subscribe and like this video.